What is up, everyone? So, as much as I'd love to dig into the rotary stuff today, we are still waiting on one more piece of the puzzle. It never ends, but we're so close to getting in the FC. So today, I figured we should do something that I've been putting off for a very long time, and that is actually show my BRZ some much needed attention. As you guys know, I bought this car last year, and I've been daily driving, and it's actually been like the best car ever. Good car. It's a good car. Yeah. Good car?
Or I saw it when he bought it.
So like, I've had some mods for it that I've been putting off until the winter was over, and because I've been driving in the snow and the salt, blah blah. And winter's basic. If I say that, it's gonna snow tomorrow, but it's getting there. Okay, so let's see what we got. Boom! Street Hunter Aero.
Big shouts to Street Hunter and TJ Hunt.
So as you guys know, my car right now it's like completely stock. It's just lowered on some wheels with a Street Hunter carbon fiber spoiler, which is like probably the best thing ever on this car. But we got the rest of the Street Hunter kit, or I think this is the rest of it, right? So we have a front lip, we have side skirt extensions, and then we have whatever's in that box. I don't remember what it is. We're gonna find out.
How long has this been here?
It's been here for a while. So the longest time, right? TJ sent me the spoiler, and I was like, TJ, I can't put the spoiler on until I have side skirt extensions. It's gonna look frumpy. And he kept yelling at me. And then like months went by, and then this box was just in the back. No one told. I had them the whole time. No one told me that we had them. They were in the back.
Yeah, I remember that.
TJ, I'm sorry, buddy. Thank you so much for sending me this kit. So, let's open it up and check out what we got, because it should really do a lot to the car today.
This looks crazy.
So what's dope about the Street Hunter kit is it looks like OEM Aero. That's my favorite part about it. It just looks like it's like a crazy package that Subaru gave you. It's not like it's like some crazy in your face.
Tasteful.
It's tasteful.
Tasteful.
So TJ, you killed it. Let's see. Now the real question is, did he send me carbon or did he send me plastic? What do we got? What do we got?
Not carbon.
Ooh, no carbon. That's all right.
I'll say, is that good or bad? Did you want the carbon?
Hell yeah, I wanted the carbon.
Who doesn't want carbon? I don't. I don't like carbon, so I'm hyped. Not my car.
Oh, those are cool. Splitters.
Extensions.
Extensions? Mm-hmm. Remember when you grenaded the splitters on the Z when we drove to Florida?
Mm-hmm. This is why I was waiting till after winter. All right, is the front lip carbon?
I'm going no.
Oh, we sent me carbon spoiler. Oh, we got carbon, brother! TJ held it down on this one.
Careful with the certificate of authenticity.
Not the birth certificate.
How will they know? Hand this to the officer when I get pulled over.
Right.
Yes, officer, it's real.
Take that. Birth certificate. Nice. I lost mine. I was looking for this.
He sent the front lip pretty early on.
Okay.
But I didn't want to put it on until I got the side splitter.
So you knew you had that. You didn't know you had the splitters.
I was busting his balls. I was like, dude, when the splitter's gonna show up? I like this. That's crazy. Sweet. It's good. Nice and light because, you know, it's a race car.
Hey, bro. You bugging. You're bugging.
Do it.
It's gonna go back.
Oh my God!
Wow. Went a lot longer than I was
expecting. Crimson chins.
Whoa. We gotta do a dry fit.
Dry fit?
Yeah.
Well, we gotta see what's in the mystery box first.
Yeah, let's open this first.
This says fragile. This is the only package that says fragile on it. Let's see.
The anticipation is killing me.
Dun, 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 dun.
Several pieces. Are these like valences?
Maybe. More certificates. Ooh. Hold up.
Young valence.
Sheesh.
Damn, that's
Holy shit. Oh man.
Does that go
This is
inside
dope.
the back?
I think this is like a rear valance. I didn't even know he had these. Damn.
Oh, that's pretty sick.
That's sick. It's nice that all the molds are brand new, so everything fits awesome.
Juicy.
That's wild.
Oh shit, the fronts.
Oh,
These go on the side?
These are probably side skirt. Like, damn. There's like a dead spot in the skirt. Does it feel it? Oh, they did their thing. They did their thing. That's fire.
That body line, that looks good.
This is gonna look like some crazy addition, like BRZ premium car.
I like it a lot.
Cool. There's more pieces in there, right?
Spot.
Yeah, I don't know what this is.
Okay, well I thought we were installing a front lip today, but let's see what else we got. Yes.
Fendi's.
Fender ones. These do a lot.
Let me see.
Come with me. I think it's.
Yeah.
Is that where it goes? That's crazy.
It fits.
And we got a lot of stuff to install today. All right, well, we have the full Street Hunter BRZ GR86 catalog right here.
It's a razor blade, dog.
I feel like
Let's get to it. What? What's wrong?
We start with the front lip.
No, side skirt extensions.
You can't put the side skirt extensions. You gotta put the quarter piece on before you put those on.
Really?
Yeah.
No, this first. Fine, front lip. We're doing the front lip first. I wanted to end on the front lip.
Start front lip.
Front lip?
Yeah.
I feel like that's the first thing you see. So.
Most satisfying thing. It's
what
the
I've
quickest.
always
I know. I like to save. I save it for the end. Like, do you eat your French fries first, or do you eat your hamburger first?
Hamburger.
French fries.
Serial
What?
killer. You're a serial
You
killer.
eat the fries?
Yeah.
I ate the fries first.
You eat the fries first, right, Austin? That's my boy. Yeah. That's it.
serial killer. Surprise.
Behavior.
You have something to look forward to.
The fries is just like a
You saved the best part.
French
for
fries
last.
are foreplay, bro. That's all I'm saying. I want to see it first.
Oh, you want
Hell yeah, I want to see it first. Get out of here. I was gonna save this for last, but okay. Damn. Good thing this car ain't low because
the fit is
it's fire.
Fitment?
especially
TJ?
right here.
This ain't no middle of the mall. Damn, that fills it out.
I mean, look at this. You've got like added body lines in.
Bro, no,
like,
just the way it's sat in.
yeah. There was no communication. Like we just knew it fit.
Honestly, I always like the GR bumper the best at first. No. Now, I like this bumper better, especially with this lip.
Yeah.
All right, let's bolt this thing on.
If anyone's drilled more holes in carbon in the tri-state, it's been me.
That's a big title, bro.
Fact.
Easily.
No fear.
All right, we cleaned our mating surfaces. Let's see. It does fit really well.
Me with some duct tape, just.
Get in the hole. Oh, that was a good one.
Satisfying?
Oh yeah. It's like an OEM option, baby. I would recommend a friend. So all the factory clips are actually in it, so it's held in there. Literally, it's factory clips, which is nice. But to make it extra sturdy, and the right way to do this would be actually to physically take the bumper off and use through bolts. But
We've all done it.
we've all done
All
it.
done it.
We got these body fastener screws right here. We're just gonna do a couple on the front end of the lip, just to secure it, and we'll be good to go. These are what they call insurance.
Insurance.
That's a good piece. Like TJ's my boy, and I'll gas him up all day, but I don't care if my worst enemy made this lip. I'd give him props because that thing. Yeah.
Fitment 10 out of 10.
Looks
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Killed it.
Looks flat, man. I like it.
All right, what's next?
Sides.
Sides. There we go. Side splitters. These look like they go on with just double-sided tape. It's a little scary, but it's a clean surface, so with a little bit of adhesion promoter, it should just stick on and not go anywhere. You could lift the car up by that spoiler, so I'm pretty confident.
That's
in
been
this.
on for a few months.
Hell yeah. And then people like pick my trunk up with it, and it's oh my God. What are we thinking here? Huh?
Down, probably.
The whole damn thing.
Yeah, pretty much. Outline that thing.
Yeah, Steve, you got that?
Give it a stroke.
Alcohol.
Wipe that thing.
Prep it, clean the surface, all the oils off of it.
Set yourself up.
Different techniques. Just be and then spoon.
Manic. Poised.
Manic, no panic.
Yeah.
So this is like a thin layer clear coat.
Really?
Since this is a little more of a, not as much of a smooth area.
Look at that.
All right, so this gives it a nice spot for it to, you don't need to do this on paint.
That came with the kit?
This no.
This is
Don't sleep. Cheat code for double-sided tape.
If you really need to make sure your body panels aren't going nowhere, the 3M tape they sell at like Advanced and stuff like that isn't like,
It ain't it?
it ain't it. It's
It's
not.
a body supply.
Yeah.
Body shop supply place.
Usually it's nice to take this and then leave a little bit like this so you can mock it up and then pull it out. But I'm not making it easy for myself this time. I'm just gonna get it right the first time. Gotta degrease the chassis so it sticks nice.
Re-greaser. Re-greaser?
Oh, I really should have left that stuff on.
That doesn't sound good.
That's where it goes. That's mint. Just like when it falls. No. Adhesion promoter, degreaser, and name brand double-sided tape, and you won't have any issues.
A little bit of re-greaser.
Re-greaser.
No.
Jimmy's grubby paws.
No, don't be using quick detailer and that stuff you got at Advanced. These things ain't sticking. Quédate. Never know how long to hold it for. You know, you feel like you need to hold it, but. So now we have our little fender extension piece. And this one is just double-sided tape once again. Just gotta pray to the carbon gods that this thing stays on. It's good tape, and good prep, right? That's all it takes. How many Mississippis?
10.
Oh, God, no.
10 Mississippi. 9 Mississippi. 8 Mississippi.
That shit looks crazy from over here.
Yeah, that's thing. Nice accents. Street Hunter. The fuck
It's crazy.
It makes me wanna like slam it on some big juicy wheels, bro. Like the function fitment is fire. It's a daily driver, but my inner,
Hey, you can still have a daily driver on juicy wheels.
Don't say that to him.
So with each carbon piece, it's really coming together. It looks really awesome on the white, but we got one more piece of carbon before we do the side splitters. Can we just appreciate the fitment? Come in here, Austin. Ready?
Fucking suction cup.
Right? So you don't even need tape. Just stays. It's good. They put good clear on this.
Leave that in there.
For sure.
I didn't mean to do that. Come on. I'm blowing shit. That's crazy talk. This one is definitely not coming off. Oh, that looks so freaking good. It's weird like modding new cars. It's like a different, everything's nice and clean and like not rusty and like broken and falling apart. And everything fits great. But it's gonna be dope because I feel like, you know, these are the new S chassis, right? Like there's not many cars that the new generation is leaving, or the old generation is leaving for the new generation, right? Like there's not many like affordable rear-wheel drive starter platforms anymore. This is kind of it, right? So this, to me, this was like the S chassis. This is what like 20-year-olds are gonna be modding in 20 years. The Street Hunter kit's gonna be like one of those kits that you're gonna see like, dude, I wish I could find a Street Hunter kit for my car. They haven't made it in like 10 years. You know what I'm talking about? Like, I don't know.
Yeah.
Like, is this what people felt like?
Modding a 240.
Modding a 240?
Yeah.
All right, so let's do a quick recap of what we have for the Street Hunter kit. Carbon, and carbon. And the last piece of the puzzle, side splitters. I'm a big sucker for side splitters. Like I feel like every car should have them because they always do so much for the car. So, and boom.
They're a little long.
Are they too long?
Way long.
Are they for this car?
Did they send me super ones?
These are long. Bro, they're hitting the back
Yeah,
tire.
that's not the right one. Maybe he meant to send a car.
Maybe he meant to send the car. Those.
I don't-
Wait. Whoa. Wait. Are those Street Hunter ones?
No.
I might order those for a different car.
Yeah, those are not.
Just say Street Arrow.
That's not even Street Hunter. Fucking, is that a street?
Middle of the mall.
No. Street Arrow in California. What is
Arrow. Yeah, we promoting them.
this? Is even They're all the way through the video and you don't even a Street Hunter part. No wonder why they're not carbon fiber. What did I buy those for? He never sent the side splitters. So it wasn't me. The splitters have never been sent. What are those for? I know I love side splitters, so I always try and buy them for cars.
TJ, send us some side splitters.
That is hilarious.
That is so funny.
Luckily, that carbon piece really fills up the side skirts, so it makes the car not look frumpy without side splitters. But they do sell Street Hunter side splitters. Those were universal side splitters I must have ordered from something else. Very typical, very me fashion. So for now, let's get this thing on the ground and cue the B-roll. Survived test number 1. A couple bumpy drifts, but now we gotta do a highway test to make sure none of the arrow goes flying off. But we use good tape, good promoter, and a good clean surface. Stuff ain't going nowhere. So we don't have the side strip extensions like we thought from the very beginning of the video. So hopefully you watch the whole video, or else you could be like, wow, those are not nice side skirts. But it still looks really good. I can't wait to get them. At least a little bit of meat on the plate, right? Something to look forward to. I think the side extensions were like really bring it all together, especially since the front lip is just a little bit lower than the skirts. That kind of ties it all. But man, beautiful pieces, beautiful fitment. I'm obsessed with the front lip. Like, I don't think Subaru could have made a nicer one. I've been talking about this damn thing going in the FC for the last like 8 videos. It's going in the next video, I swear.
Every car guy's been there. You get all excited. You're checking tracking all day, getting home, hoping to stand there.
I've been so proactive. This is a very expensive engine to build. It's gonna be worth it. Look at that beautiful. That thing's just been waiting for us. We prepped it so good. It's just ready for us. Too good. All right. We got the kit on. We need the extensions. I said that 40 times, but it'll be good. Everything's great. Very happy. And get something to look forward to. We're gonna end it, right? That sounds good. Cool. I'm so shocked, guys. But we have Aiden in the house for the week, which is really cool. We will be doing a project with him this week that we'll be posting on our Instagram, and we'll probably show you in the next video because we'll actually have it in hand, and it's pretty cool. Pretty hyped about it, so stay tuned on that. So for now, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and Spoon,
have a good night.